Dear students, I hope you are very well and healthy. In previous video classes, we learned about the topic how metals and non-metals react to each other. In today's classes, we learn about how ionic compounds are formed with the help of some examples. Just as first example, formation of sodium chloride. The formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. So it consists of two metals, one part of metals and one part of non-metals. Sodium is metal and chlorine is non-metal. Its electronic configuration is 281. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. As we know that it has only one electron in the valence shell, it loses this electron to acquire the stable electronic configuration 28, similar to that of neon, and form sodium ion Na plus due to the loss of one electron. On the other hand, the atomic number of chlorine Cl is equal to 17 and its electronic configuration is 287. But to acquire a stable electronic configuration, it gains one electron to form the electronic configuration 288, similar to that of argon, and form chloride ion Cl-. From this reaction, we understand that how sodium loses one electron to form Na plus ion and sodium ion. Dear students, the formation of ionic compounds can also be understood with the help of some equations and reactions between sodium and chlorine. So as we know that, and the diagram given below states that sodium loses one electron to form sodium ion and sodium cation due to positively charged, and its electronic configuration is just like neon 2,8. And on the other hand, chlorine gains this electron losses by the sodium atom to form chloride ion Cl- 2, and its electronic configuration in this situation is 288. To show the difference between Na plus and Cl minus ions, we put dot on sodium and cross 4 electron to showing electrons on chlorine. So the complete reaction between sodium and chlorine is Na plus Cl minus. Sodium and chloride ions, being oppositely charged, attract each other and are held by strong electrostatic forces of attraction. To exist as sodium chloride, it should be noted that sodium chloride does not exist as molecules but aggregates of oppositely charged ions. Let us see the formation of one more ionic compounds, just as magnesium chloride. The formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2 and the atomic number of magnesium is 12 and its electronic configuration is 282. As from the electronic configuration, we see that it loses 2 electrons from the valence shell to acquire the nearest noble gas configuration of neon 2,8 and form Mg2 plus ion due to the losing of 2 electrons. And the atomic number of chlorine is 17 and its electronic configuration is 287. So it needs to gain only one electron in the valence shell to acquire the nearest noble gas configuration of argon 288 and form chloride ions. We can also understand this topic and the formation of magnesium chloride and the reaction between magnesium and chlorine by the following reaction. Magnesium loses 2 electrons to form Mg2 plus ion, and the electronic configuration of Mg2 plus ion is 2,8, just like neon, and form magnesium cation. On the other hand, chlorine gain 1 electron which is losses by magnesium, and it acquires only 1 electron to attain the nearest electronic configuration to form Cl minus ion, and its electronic configuration in this situation is 288 and to form chloride anion. As we know that The positively charged ion is called cation and negatively charged ion is called anion. And the complete transfer and reaction between magnesium and chloride ions is given below. Magnesium loses 2 electrons to both the Cl minus ions to form Mg2 plus and Cl2 minus ions. Magnesium chloride. The compounds formed in this manner by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal are known as ionic compounds or electrovalent compounds. Can you name the cation and anion present in MgCl2? Sure, the cation present in MgCl2 is magnesium and anion present in MgCl2 is Cl, that is chlorine. And the next topic we discuss properties of ionic compounds, and thanks.